Hello friends, welcome back. How was your Christmas? Hope everyone is doing well. Today we'll see a quick bite snack recipe. We'll see the ingredients now. Add very little butter to the pan. Almond is roasted. You can slice the almond into small pieces. I'm adding butter to the pan. Let it melt. I'm adding condensed milk, cocoa powder, stir till it mixes properly. Now add the powdered biscuit. And almond. We can switch off the stove. Applying butter over the butter paper. We are going to pour the fudge over this and roll it out. Now you can transfer the fudge onto the butter paper. Keep another butter paper on top and you can nicely roll it out. Almond fudge is ready. Let's taste our chocolate almond fudge. It's very tasty. It's a very easy snack to make. It has all the flavors of chocolate and almond. It goes together very well. You should try this recipe, friends. Let me know how it came out for you all. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed till now. Many more very different recipes are on the way. Have a great day. Friends, from today we are starting our mudalipattimenu in Tamil. If you want to catch us in Tamil, please subscribe to the Tamil channel mudalipattimenu Tamil.